What if I told you that the secret to reversing hair loss has been hidden in nature all along? Alopecia areata, a condition that leaves many feeling hopeless, might have answers buried in ancient remedies now validated by modern science. In this video, we're uncovering the top 13 herbs that go beyond just promises. Backed by research, these natural powerhouses are proven to fight inflammation, nourish your scalp, and even reactivate dormant hair follicles. By the end of the video, I'll explain how to use these herbs effectively. Some are best applied topically, others as supplements, orally, or in homemade masks. This will help you mix and match them to suit your needs. Stay tuned as we explore how these time-tested remedies can help you reclaim your hair and your confidence. 1. Onion. Onion juice is rich in sulfur and quercetin, and is known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. A clinical trial published in the Journal of Dermatology reported that 74% of participants with alopecia areata experienced significant hair regrowth after applying onion juice twice daily for 6 weeks. 2. Bringraj. Bringraj, often referred to as the king of hair in Ayurveda, enhances hair follicle health, reduces hair fall, and stimulates regrowth. A study published in the Research Journal of Medicinal Plants highlighted Bringraj's effectiveness in promoting hair regrowth in animal models. 3. Rosemary. It contains rosmaric acid, which enhances blood circulation to hair follicles and possesses anti-inflammatory properties. A study published in SkinMed demonstrated that rosemary oil is as effective as minoxidil in promoting hair regrowth in individuals with alopecia areata after 6 months of use. 4. Ginseng. Ginseng contains ginsenosides, which stimulate hair follicle proliferation and minimize immune-mediated damage. Studies have demonstrated that ginseng extract supports hair regrowth and protects hair follicles from stress-related damage. 5. Licorice. Licorice root calms irritated scalps, reduces dandruff, and offers anti-inflammatory benefits that support hair health. Traditional use and herbal medicine research suggest that licorice root fosters an environment conducive to hair regrowth by alleviating follicle inflammation. 6. Aloe vera. Aloe vera's enzymes and nutrients nourish hair follicles, soothe inflammation, and enhance scalp hydration. Research indicates that aloe vera can reduce oxidative stress in the scalp, fostering an ideal environment for hair regrowth. 7. Amla. Rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, amla strengthens hair roots and supports hair growth. It has been shown to enhance collagen production in hair follicles, improving both hair thickness and growth. Stay tuned. We're halfway through. Be sure to watch the video until the end. 8. Fenugreek. Fenugreek, rich in proteins, nicotinic acid, and lecithin, strengthens hair follicles and promotes hair regrowth. Studies have shown that consistent use of fenugreek seed extract can reduce hair fall and enhance scalp health. 9. Neem. Neem possesses antimicrobial and immune-modulating properties that help combat scalp infections and reduce inflammation. Its active compounds, such as nimbidin, are known to alleviate autoimmune-related inflammation, making it beneficial in treating alopecia. 10. Lavender. Lavender oil is renowned for its calming effects and antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory benefits, supporting scalp health and minimizing hair follicle damage. A study published in Toxicological Research showed that lavender oil stimulates hair follicle activity and promotes hair regrowth in animal models. 11. Peppermint. Peppermint oil, rich in menthol, enhances blood flow to the scalp, fostering an environment ideal for hair regrowth. A study in Toxicological Research revealed that the topical application of peppermint oil significantly improved hair thickness and follicle depth in mice. 12. Green tea. Green tea, rich in epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, offers powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits that enhance scalp health and promote hair growth. Research published in Phytomedicine highlights EGCG's ability to prevent hair follicle regression and stimulate new growth in animal studies. 13. Turmeric. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, helps reduce inflammation and regulate immune responses, potentially slowing the progression of alopecia areata. Studies have shown that curcumin can suppress pro-inflammatory cytokines involved in autoimmune conditions like alopecia areata. How to use these herbs. Topical application. Massage oils infused with these herbs or their extracts directly into the scalp. Herbal rinses. Use rinses made from herbs like rosemary, neem, or green tea as a final step after shampooing. Oral supplements. Herbs such as turmeric, ginseng, and amla are available in supplement form, offering systemic benefits. Homemade masks. Create nutrient-rich scalp masks by mixing ingredients like onion juice, aloe vera, or fenugreek with coconut oil or yogurt. Important notes: consistency is key. Herbal remedies typically require several weeks to months of consistent use to show noticeable results. Patch test. Always perform a patch test to check for allergic reactions before applying any herb topically. Consult a specialist. For severe cases, consider combining herbal treatments with professional medical advice. These herbs provide natural and effective solutions for managing alopecia areata, supported by both traditional knowledge and modern scientific research. Thank you for watching. For more health-related videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.